Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel I do unboxings of all sorts, so if you like unboxing videos, definitely hit on that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Now on today's video guys, I got some friend mail and I got this from Amber Meeks, who's a fellow YouTuber, and I have had this box for like 3 days now and it's been killing me not to open it. But the reason I have not opened it is because I broke my phone. And I do everything on my phone. I do all these videos that you guys see. I record on my phone, and so I had to send my phone in because I cracked my screen and I had to send it into Apple. So if any of you ever have to do that, here's some information for you guys. I sent it through UPS on Saturday of last week, and today is Saturday, and I got it back on Friday night. So it took 6 days for the whole process from sending it out to receiving it back, and it's great. It's back in my hands, and I'm ready to record. Okay, so for those of you who don't know who Amber is, though, let me tell you a little bit about Amber. Amber's channel's name is called Ambizzares DIY and Other Stuff, and she just recently changed her name to Other Stuff because she's branching out and she's doing other things. She is a very high energy, artistic, creative person. When you watch her videos, you will immediately know what I mean. And Amber, right before my phone broke, she also shared some editing tips and tricks that she uses. She takes a lot of time and energy into editing, and I like editing too, but she does it way better than I don't even know how she does it. She has all these little dancing characters and it's really fun. But anyway, she actually shared all of her tips and tricks that she does with us, and right before my phone broke, so I haven't had an opportunity to do that. So Amber, I'm downloading all those apps you said, and I can't wait to start playing and doing some editing tips and tricks. I'll try to do one in here just to see if I can do something. But anyway, the name of her channel is Ambizzares DIY and Other Stuff, and the schedule that she has a schedule that she sticks to, and on Mondays she has something called Make It Monday, and that's what she's known for, her DIY. She makes something on Monday, and on Wednesday she calls it her Whatever Wednesday. You never know what she's going to talk about. She's going to talk about something maybe that's personal to her, something that's on her mind, something she wants to share about her channel. You never know what's going to happen. And on Friday, that's where it's called Fix It Fridays. That's where if something's broken, she can show you how to fix it and give it a new life. She recently showed some, I think it was last week, some easy sewing to put a hem in like a dress to bring it up. Some really nice, easy tips and tricks. So I really appreciated that video. And she has a subscription box Saturday and a surprise Sunday. So definitely go check her channels out. And she, like I said, she sent this out to 13 other ladies, and she said for none of us to watch each other's video until we open the box. So I have not, and if anyone's watching and you have not opened your box, don't watch this video. Turn it off right now. Turn it off. Amber doesn't want you to watch. She wants to see our reactions. And Amber also only lives like, I believe, maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours away from me. So we are definitely going to get together one day, and when all this COVID is over, and maybe do something fun together. I don't know, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this box and see what she sent me. Okie doke, so let's get into this, shall we? I got my razor blade ready to go, ready to open it and see what she sent me. And then I can't wait to watch all the other ladies that I've been avoiding their videos. So let's see. She has it nicely wrapped. Right here on the top. Look. Look at this. Oh my goodness, guys. She has a basket. Oh my goodness, a Valentine's basket. Amber, look how beautiful this is. The paper has little cupids on it, and she makes these bows, and you know I'm going to save this bow, Amber. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is a Valentine's box. How wonderful. my goodness. Oh, this is so, so beautiful. Okay, I see cards right here in the front. Oh, be my Valentine. Oh, look at that. How cute. Oh, that is so adorable. And I'm going to open this and I'm going to read it, but if it's private, I will edit this part out. And she says, Happy Valentine's Day. Hope your Valentine's Day is one of a kind, just like you, Amber. And she says, Sheila, I just love watching all your try-on videos and your unboxings. You are such a vibrant, beautiful person. I wanted to be conscious of your diet. And I'm done. Oh my God, Amber. Oh, that means so much to me. I'm really trying to be good this year. Oh my goodness, that you even thought of that. So I put some healthy, look, she's tearing me up. She put some healthy snacks in with your stuff. It's crazy how close you are to where I live. We need to get together and go shopping or make some crafts or something. I am so happy that we came across each other on YouTube, and hopefully we'll be able to get together sometime soon. I hope you enjoy the baskets of goodies I put together for you. Love, your crazy friend Amber. Oh, Amber, that's beautiful that you kept my diet in mind. Thank you, because it is a hard struggle. Oh, that's really sweet, especially Valentine's Day. Okay. Now she's got me crying already here. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, let's pull out. I see the Skinny Pop ice cream. That's what I want. That was a Freudian slip, wasn't it? My Skinny Pop popcorn, white cheddar. Thank you very much. Those are very healthy, very good healthy snacks. Oh, thank you, Amber. Let me put all this stuff out. Oh, and it looks like she's got some goodies, some little makeups and stuff in here that I like. Let's see what I got. What is this? This little lipstick is a pen. The top just pops off. I keep trying to unscrew it, and the one I kept for myself got all messed up. LOL. See how she puts so much energy into everything she does. Guys, if you don't know her, definitely go check out her channel. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see. What'd she say? The top just pops off. Oh. Okay, it just pops off like that. I see what you mean. You want to unscrew it. Oh, but that's adorable. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look, she's got my nose running. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I am such a crybaby. Oh, how beautiful. She believed she could, so she did. More. Oh my goodness, Amber. Never give up. Live your dream. Never give up. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so beautiful, and how perfect for me, especially, you know, when I'm trying to diet and exercise and eat well. Oh my goodness, Amber, that means the world to me. You are so beyond thoughtful. I'm going to keep this and just hold on to this when I'm having bad days. I'm going to think back to this box when I'm, you know, like when that little devil starts talking and I'm watching TV and I'm like, oh, I'd like a little bit of ice cream right now. Amber, you're really inspiring me and giving me a little bit of strength right now. So thank you. It means a lot to me. Oh, and look at the little hair barrette with the little bows. Oh, that is cute as can be. And there's another little note in here. And it said, I made this bracelet with some inspirational messages on it to remind everybody how special they are. Oh my goodness, Amber, you are just wonderful. You are just a wonderful lady. Keep trying. Knowledge is power. These are little magnets. I'm going to stick these on my refrigerator. Amber, you're talked about life with Lois is your cheerleader. I think you're my cheerleader right now. I'm going to make a little cheerleader like Amber. Like, thank you. You are my cheerleader for sure. Oh, thank you so much. This is just so touching that you put so much creative energy into me. And so here is something, and she's got a little tag on this too. And this says, you are going to have to work for this one, LOL. It won't take long and it's super cute. Okay, I don't know what she means by that, but let's find out together, shall we? It's got a piece of plastic on here. Oh, it's a puzzle. I will put this together and I will insert it at the end of the video. Hey, this will give me a fun little project to do. Thank you, Amber. I wonder if it's something Valentine's related. I wonder if it's going to be I will put a picture because I will put this together and I will insert the picture right here. So we will see if it ends up being Valentine's related. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at all this stuff she's got in here, guys. Let me take the wrapper off. Like I said, during Christmas time, she shows you how to make all these beautiful bows. So I'm definitely going to keep that bow. I'm just putting it off to the side right now. So look at the little heart container that she put this in. And this is a Kenzie. I don't know what this is. Oh my God, how beautiful. Oh my God, this is so perfect, Amber. I have something coming up and I can't share it with anybody right now, but let me get this out of here. But oh my goodness, this is so beautiful, guys. Look at this. Oh, this is so beautiful, roses, and I love florals, and this is going to be so great. My daughter is having a baby, and she's going to be having a baby shower, and I will definitely be wearing this to her baby shower. My dress that I hope I'm going to get has roses all on the bottom of the dress. I will be putting that video out very soon, and I think this watch, Amber, I'm pretty sure this watch is going to so go with that dress. So I'm this is definitely going to be worn with that dress. It's going to match it perfect because the whole bottom of my dress is with these roses. So that is just absolutely beautiful. Okay, so we got my wrist covered. Let's just go ahead and put this baby on. We will put the bracelet over here. Amber has got me covered, I tell you what. I can't wait. That's going to go so good with my dress. Oh, it's going to go beautiful with my dress. Okay, so now we have something else. A smart bracelet. Amber, I'm running out of arms. A partner to monitor your health. Guys, Amber, oh my goodness, this is going to be wonderful for me. Oh, I cannot wait to put this together. What does it say? It tells you how much motion you're doing, how much distance you're walking, and how many calories you're burning. Amber, you're my cheerleader. You're it. You are my cheerleader. Thank you. Thank you. This means the world to me that you are so considerate and know what I'm going through right now. I can't wait. I will tell at the end of the video. I will have my husband help me put this together and figure out the electronics part of this. And yeah, definitely, I will definitely use this. Thank you so much, Amber. Thank you. I'm just beyond blessed and feeling so my heart's just feeling really appreciated. Thank you. Don't get me crying again, Amber. Okay, here is some perfume. Japanese cherry blossoms. Yes, love some perfume. I love all scents too. Let's see how this smells. Ooh, don't spray it in my eyes. Ooh, lovely. Very nice. Very, very nice. To Sheila from Amber. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, and this is more healthy snacks that she talked about. This looks like all Annie stuff. And for those of you who don't know who Annie is, I do know who Annie is. She makes all organic foods. And so what I got here is organic bunny fruit snacks. Some are strawberries. Some bunny organic. It's all organic. It's all fruit snacks, and these are, it doesn't say how many calories, but oh, here we go. Oh, it's only 80 calories, so if I'm wanting something slightly sweet, this will be excellent, and it's all organic, so thank you very much. How many calories did the popcorn have? Popcorn had 100, so guys, she could have sent me Reese's peanut butter cups, but look, she sent me organic candy and popcorn. Just, I don't even know what to say, guys. I don't even know what to say. Amber, you're a wonderful, wonderful human being. Your heart is just beautiful. It's beautiful. Really it is. Okay. So let's see. What else do I got? YouTube star. She's got my name on here, Face and Fashions. I'm kind of a big deal on YouTube. Well, no, I'm not, but I'm trying to be, and I'm not as big as you. She's, oh my goodness. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, thank you, Amber. My first YouTube. This is my first little YouTube trophy. Thank you so much. Face and Fashions, I'm kind of a big deal on YouTube, a YouTube star. Oh, thank you, Amber. And this is, I don't know what it is, Luna Ice? I don't know what that is. It feels spongy. Is it something, maybe it goes with something else here. And Beyond Good, Uganda. And this is a crispy rice, 73% cocoa. Oh, only 150 calories too. Oh, this is healthy chocolate too. This is organic cocoa beans, organic, everything is organic in this. And it says, from the beginning, we've always been about Madagascar cocoa. And I've heard about that. I think that is a very high quality cocoa. Oh, Amber, thank you very, very much. And look at the beautiful little heart bag. I don't know what this is though, Amber. What is this? I'm probably the only one who don't know what this is. Luna Ice. I don't know. But Amber, you really touched my heart that you kept my diet in mind, and you know that's my struggle right now. And guys, anybody out there who's struggling to hang in there, we're all going to do this together. We're going to make 2021 a healthier year, and we're going to all forget about last year. We're all going to do better this year. And Amber, you really touched me. Seriously, thank you. You really touched me, because it is a hard struggle for me, and there are some hard moments, and you know, just I'm going to relive this moment that I'm feeling, and thank you. Thank you, really, thank you. I'm going to turn into a crybaby. Well, anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and definitely go check out Amber and give her a lot of love. And I will see you on my next video, guys, after I wipe all these tears out of my eyes. Okay, love you guys. Bye-bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.